That's the initial flush of water from all the pavement downtown hitting this part of Flat Branch Creek after that sudden heavy rain. It's coming this way. The bridge is already starting to flood. Now I'm downstream, stopped at the next bridge, and you can see that there's just pretty much the regular flow of water. Oh my God, here it comes. It's almost like a shock wave of water. Look at this, how fast it floods the creek. That's a sudden flood of water coming from all the pavement downtown into Flat Branch Creek. It happens that fast that the water rises. Okay, I have now ridden my bicycle down here to the infamous Big Snapper Pond at Bridge 3, and I'm about to go look upstream. It's amazing that I really can hear it, the rush of water. Here it comes. Really is literally like a shock wave of water coming in. And then we're gonna watch it suddenly rise up over the dam on this side. Just amazing how quickly that water comes up. This is actually kind of fun, chasing the storm surge floodwaters from downtown down Flat Branch Creek. As you can see, I've gone a couple bridges ahead. This is the bridge number 5 just past MLK Park. As you can see, the creek is still just a nice, slow flowing, normal, idyllic creek. But as we zoom in up here, I think I can hear a surge of water coming. There it is. I can see the surge. Wow, that's just so amazing how fast that head floodwater hits. It literally creates shock waves coming down the creek. You standing on them rocks down there, you got a few seconds to get out, brother. Watch this. I am standing on Bridge 7 of Flat Branch Creek, and as you can see, here it comes right now, so fast, so hard. It's like this huge wave of water coming in, overflowing what was just moments ago a very idyllic, low-flowing creek. When it hits water pools, it creates literally shock waves of water in the water pools as it hits. And then you can see here comes all the dirty water. And we're gonna flip over to the other side And watch how fast that floods the other side of this creek. Just amazing how fast that water rises. Perfect example of what a flash flood is. If you're standing out there on one of those little rock bars out there, you got a few moments to get out before you're toast. All right, let's go down to the next bridge and watch it again. It's so slow, it goes down the creek just like real slow walking speed, so I can get on my bicycle and race ahead to the next bridge and watch it all happen again. To Bridge 8, this is another one of the new bridges that they've recently installed a couple years ago. I really like this place for watching this effect. I've seen it before because of this really long eddy pool here. And I think I can already hear the rush of water coming. Yep, you can see it way down there. Here comes the flash flood. Get that shockwave effect on the eddy pool here. Look at how fast that water comes up. All right, once more, the classic flash flood effect. I am now at Bridge 9. And here comes the wall of water from downtown. Swallows that whole sandbar. And here it comes on this side. You can see the first dirty water coming through.